Yo, if you're a man that loves the great outdoors and you happen to be a beer drinker, well, I got a product to show you today. This is the Beer Deer. This is a really cool product for your office, for your studio, and probably for your dorm room as well. But what we got right here is a 3D puzzle made out of printed cardboard that looks like beer cutouts. So I've got this Beer Deer right here and I have done a video on it and I will leave a link below in the description. But what we've got today is the entire collection. Y'all stick around. I'm gonna put them all together and show them to you. Yeah, so before we go any further, guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll get into it. Beer Deer was kind enough to send me their whole collection, so I'm gonna show them to you today. I'm gonna put them together and show you just how cool they really are. Right here, we've got the Beer Deer Eagle. We've got another Beer Deer Deer that is just a Busch Latte, Busch Light. We've got two Beer Deer Fish. One of them is gonna be a bass and one of them is gonna be a sailfish. And then we've got the Booze Moose. This is really what I'm looking forward to. This is gonna be a moose head. Let's go ahead and start putting them together. Now I'm not gonna make you watch the whole thing. I'm gonna do some time lapses and we'll get them all put together and we'll talk about them. So this is what they're all about. They give you several cardboard sheets with cutouts on them. And it's got all different types of beer on them. Mostly they got some Jack Daniels. Mostly, they got vodka on this one. They've got the Tito's vodka, Busch Light, and they also come with instructions. This one's the Booze Moose, but they all look very similar. They all come on a cardboard sheet with these cutouts. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this one, and let's do it. That was not the easiest task in the world, putting all of them together at the same time. But I do indeed have them together, and maybe I felt pressured by the time I needed to do it in. They're not extremely hard to put together, but some of them, when you've got 5 stacks of cardboard and you're trying to fit everything together, they can be a little bit tight, but it's not bad. And if I were just doing one and hanging it up, it would have been easy enough, but I was trying to get all 5 of them built. So it took me a little time, but they are all put together. And let me show you what we got. I'm gonna start off with the original Beer Deer. This is their original Their namesake Beard Deer, and I really like it. I keep it hanging in my office all the time. I think he's really cool. I think he's a cool conversation piece. So the next one we have here is the Eagle. I think the Eagle's pretty cool looking, but he's like the least 3D one, only because his wings are spread out and you can see his body's 3D. So this is probably my least favorite one, but he does take up the most wall space. So you may like him in your space. I personally prefer the more 3D ones, and we'll get to those now. This guy here is the Booze Moose. Now he is really deep. He is very much 3D, and I think he is just really cool looking. You can tell the size he is by the size of me holding him, obviously. He's pretty large and in charge. I think this fella's really cool looking. Now we're gonna get to the Bass. The Bass, man, he is really stout. All his cardboard pieces are very close together. Now he was a little bit of a pain to put together, but once he's put together, it's quite solid. And he is just a really cool looking piece. Let's get to the next one. I think of all of them, this one is my favorite, the Swordfish. He is long. He must be 4 feet long. He is extremely well put together. He's stout, very 3D looking. And I think this one's going on my wall somewhere for sure. Man, check these guys out. I think they're really cool, the Beard Deer products. I think they make for great conversation pieces. I got a link in the description down below for their website. All of these things are printed in the United States, and man, go check them out. I think they're really cool. Until next time, this is Corey with Everyday Man.